Hello everyone. This is Satya from Edufine Easy English Online. Have we ever thought to improve our English? Maybe you may be a housewife, you may be an office goer, you may have children at home, you may be a homemaker too. Do I speak English in a correct way? Am I pronouncing it well? Do I have the professional skills to speak in an office environment or maybe at a business? Maybe you are having a presentation in a conference, dealing with your clients. You want your children to talk in a better way? Is it only enough to talk in English? Effective communication is more than talking in English. Many of us do not understand this. We are always satisfied that we are able to talk in English. Yes, we all talk in English, we speak in English. There are situations where we deal at home and outside. But are you good in that? Are you professional in that? How about your children? Is it just that they did it as a subject in school? Is that enough? That learning enough for your professional skills or for your business dealings? Communication skills builds up your language confidence. Whoever it may be, you may be a student or a teacher or a parent or whoever it may be, effective communication gives you the best opportunities. Good and professional communication is very important to thrive in this competitive world, especially for our growing generation, our children, our kids. It's not just the traditional grammar taught in schools. I do agree. I am a teacher. I have also taught the children, so many children I have taught. But as a teacher, still I have a feeling that I have not done to the expectations. I have not met out the expectations of the students beyond books. Reaching students beyond books is very important to improvise your communication, to bring your language confidence, because language is the essence of life. Is it only enough to read and write English? Just mug up or say it remotely, whatever you've been learning through the books, just give it out in an exam. Is that English? Is that communication? No, really not. But we do not understand it at all. How do we learn language confidence? Is the question of the hour. That is the important thing that we have to think about. What is effective communication? Is that your use of words? Is that the use of language? No, there is something more than that. Flow of thoughts, the words, modulation, your body language. Please account for your effective communication. Are we imparting this to our children? Do we give them enough opportunities to become a confident speaker? I'm talking about the children, I'm talking about our students, I'm talking about adults also. Do we give enough room and confidence for them? Have we ever thought to improve all these things? Irrespective of age, this applies to everyone who wants to speak good English, who wants to communicate effectively. Here we are. And so, Edufine Easy English Online will be the best solution. So, what are the skill sets covered at Edufine Easy English Online course? Shall we know about it? Basic and intermediate grammar levels, speaking etiquette, public speaking skills, creative writing, email drafting or letter writing, daily conversation practices, speaking etiquette, conversation practice, professional conversation, vocabulary, listening, speaking, reading and writing skills. Apart from these, all how to improve your personality traits, your body language, or your gesture, your confidence. We are here to boost this up for you. We are here to train you at Edufine Easy English. Whoever wants to improve professionally, age is just a number. If you would like to build up your confidence, we will hold hands with you. Hold hands with me and walk with language confidence at Edufine Easy English. Come join me. It is Satya signing you off from Edufine Easy English Online. Call me or WhatsApp me 90809 52818. Bye. Meet you in another video soon.